Hello everyone, welcome back to the 5 Best. In today's video, we will be checking out the top 5 best mechanical keyboards you can buy in 2023. I have made this list based on buyers' suggestions, opinions, and hours of research. I also listed them based on price, features, and durability. Whether you're a programmer, a developer, a gamer, or simply a typing enthusiast who's looking for your very first mechanical keyboard, you've come to the right place. Here, we will help you choose the best mechanical keyboard you can get in 2023 for all your typing needs. As always, our goal here is to create an exciting shopping guide so that our subscribers and viewers can make the best decisions when buying these products. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the 5 Best, where we explore the best technology gadgets on the market and help you make the right purchasing decision based on your specific requirements. The links to all the products mentioned in this video are available, and we will show them in the description below. Make sure to click the subscribe icon to stay up to date on information and content. Also, hit the notification bell icon so that you never miss a video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Logitech G413 Budget Gaming Keyboard. Logitech is a trendy brand for everyone who's looking to get their very first mechanical keyboard. Not only is Logitech famous and a household name for many techs and computer equipment and accessories, but they are also an excellent choice for people who want to purchase from a reliable brand name at a budget-friendly price. At a surprising price of $89, you might second-guess buying this mechanical keyboard considering its more pricey counterparts and predecessors. This might be the case for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts, but if you're someone getting your mechanical keyboard for the first time, G413 is such a steal. In the package, you'll receive a user manual, the keyboard, additional gaming keycaps, and of course, a keycap puller. You might notice that the extra keycaps are the keys you usually use for gaming. These 12-faceted keycap designs will help you optimize your gaming experience. G413's precision key lighting also gives precise and clean lighting through the keycaps. Although RGB lighting is not available, the red backlighting in G413 Carbon and white backlighting in G413 Silver is not such a bad deal for those users who prefer an undistracted premium feel single-color backlighting. During late-night gaming, this keyboard offers you 4 levels of brightness. As a whole, Logitech G413 feels as premium as it can be with its brushed 5052 aluminum magnesium alloy top case. It feels clean, sleek, and high quality at this price point compared to other plastic-cased mechanical keyboards. It also offers you the full keyboard set, including the numeric keypad. The adjustable height feet with rubber stabilizers allow you to adjust the perfect angle for the ideal gaming experience. The most important thing about a mechanical keyboard? The typing experience. Its Romer G tactile mechanical switch performs 25% faster than its competition's standard mechanical switches. It is precise, fast, and accurate, while also offering just the right amount of therapeutic typing sounds we're all looking for in a mechanical keyboard. You can also have immediate media controls right at your fingertips with its dedicated media controls. Its programmable macros through the G-Hub program allow you to execute commands at your own pace through dedicated keys in the F1, F2 buttons. Razer Cynosa Chroma Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. A cheaper option to Logitech G413, which also offers a pack of punch for a budget gaming mechanical keyboard, is Razer Cynosa Chroma Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Anyone who looks for mechanical gaming keyboards must have seen the Razer brand name once in a while. Powered by Razer's Chroma RGB this time, we've got a full RGB keyboard and individually backlit keys that give users over 16.8 million colors and a variety of effects to choose from. Playing Chroma-integrated games like Fortnite, Apex Legends, and more, this gaming keyboard will give you a dynamic level of audio visualization as you play your favorite games. Razer's Synapse 3 allows you to choose from preset lighting effects or create your modified lighting effects. The Razer Cynosa Chroma Pro version gives you an underglow lighting that offers a more dramatic feel for your backlight needs. One thing about Razer Cynosa Chroma is that while it offers beautiful RGB backlighting, it does not feature mechanical key switches, but rather mesh rubber dome switches. These rubber switches are easy and mushy to type on if that's your thing, and gives you smooth typing that you can find in most standard keyboards. Razer Cynosa Chroma strips itself back of what high-end mechanical keyboards have. What it does is give you that beautiful RGB backlighting, spill-resistant design, and fully programmable macros for a more personal remapping of control keys for all your complex commands. HyperX Alloy Elite 2 Keyboard. Thus far, we have been giving you budget gaming mechanical keyboards to look for their first mechanical keyboard. If you have a bit more budget, precisely over $100, why not try considering number 3 on our list, the HyperX Alloy Elite 2 keyboard. This mechanical keyboard lives up to its price. With a solid steel premium, HyperX Alloy Elite 2 feels and looks as premium as ever. I definitely cannot stress enough how fantastic this keyboard from HyperX has been so far. Physically, not only is it solid steel, the way its keycaps are designed gives you a whole new experience in the lighting game. Its HyperX pudding caps, because yes, it looks like a pudding, make way for more brilliance than standard solid colored keycaps in other brands. It does not only look fantastic, but it also works fantastic for all gamers out there as well. The mechanical switches are designed for speed and responsiveness, making your key inputs as accurate as ever. In terms of typing, it has that therapeutic sound we're all looking for in a mechanical keyboard. Whether you're using this keyboard for gaming or watching movies, its dedicated media keys and large volume wheel located at the top right corner are something you'd love and never miss. As a gaming keyboard, HyperX Alloy is one of your best choices out in the market. Every key is programmable through HyperX 𝐥𝐢𝐬𝐬 to allow you to set button bindings, program, store macros, and customize lighting for the best gaming experience. With the HyperX 𝐥𝐢𝐬𝐬, you can also customize the signature light bar and create various lighting profiles. Connectivity-wise, this keyboard is compatible with PC, PS4, Xbox One through USB-A connection, and a USB 2.0 pass-through for your other USB needs, giving you multiple connectivity options. Corsair K100 RGB Optical Gaming Keyboard. Corsair K100 RGB Optical Gaming Keyboard just missed our top spot by a notch. This mechanical gaming keyboard is stunning in all aspects, genuinely worthy of its $229.99 price point. Corsair was not lying when they claimed that K100 RGB is the centerpiece of your PC setup. Just like how a chandelier is at the center of our homes, Corsair K100's refined, exquisite design makes it the center of your entire tech setup. Its durable aluminum frame offers the pinnacle of a premium look and feel. If that's not enough, the dynamic per-key backlighting is further enhanced with the 44-zone RGB light edge, which gives your keyboard backlighting a whole new experience. Typing experience has never been better with K100. Powered by Corsair Axon hyper-processing technology, your gaming keyboard experience delivers your outputs 4 times faster than other gaming keyboards. The Chi switches also offer one of the best inputs. It's linear and hyper-fast, and the 1mm actuation distance gives you a top-tier gaming experience. The packaging also comes with a detachable magnetic cushion leatherette palm rest for the ultimate comfort for hours of gaming. Corsair K100's IQ wheel on the upper left corner with its RGB backlit look is designed for all your media and lighting control needs, from switching apps, skipping and selecting tracks, and more with just the turn of a wheel. This hyper-premium gaming keyboard also has 6 dedicated macro keys on the left side, programmable through IQ software for all your game keyboard customization needs for the best in-game advantage. At number 2 on our list, Corsair K100 has genuinely upped the game not only in the way it looks, but in the way it's built and designed to offer the best quality gaming and typing experience, whether at work or for pleasure. SteelSeries Apex Pro Gaming Keyboard. At last, here we are to the top mechanical gaming keyboard you should be getting in 2023, the SteelSeries Apex Pro Gaming Keyboard. Cheaper than our top 2 by at least $40, This Apex Pro TKL keyboard is a game-changing keyboard for people of all kinds. Whether you're a pro gamer, a casual gamer who is also a programmer, or an office worker, this keyboard has got it all for you. Different needs call for different keyboard sensitivities, and Apex Pro TKL is an expert at that. From 0.4mm to 3.6mm actuation point, the adjustable mechanical switches of this gaming keyboard adjust to your needs. Whether you need sensitive and hyper-fast actuation for that gaming edge, or a deep and deliberate actuation for any keys to ensure extreme accuracy and fewer typos. Apex Pro TKL also offers an OLED smart display for information, adjusting settings, and profiles. With the OLED smart display, you don't need to change tabs to change your music or modify your RGB lighting and change your keyboard sensitivity right at your fingertips. Beside it are dedicated multimedia controls in the form of a metal roller. Its air-grade craft aluminum alloy gives it a high-end premium look and unbreakable durability and sturdiness. Do away with uncomfortable gaming. The package comes with a premium magnetic wrist rest for easy attachment that gives your hands the full palm support it needs for hours of gaming and typing. Apex Pro's RGB illumination is at its best, paired with your other SteelSeries products, giving you millions of color options adjustable and customizable through the SteelSeries Engine program. You have the option to individually control per key RGB, including whole keyboard patterns, as well as customize reactive typing effects. In terms of look, customizability, reactivity, actuation, and sensitivity, nothing yet beats the SteelSeries Apex Pro gaming keyboard, making it snatch the top 1 in the best mechanical keyboards in the market right now and even in the years to come. And that would be all for today's top 5 best mechanical keyboards you can buy in 2023. For more mind-blowing videos of technology gadgets and electronics, subscribe to this channel, like and share with friends, and we will see you in the next video.